In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to crossplay Minecraft, PlayStation 5 and Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up crossplay so all of you who are on different platforms can play together. Keep in mind that I am going to be recording this video on PC, however, this is only so I can get a higher quality recording. All of the instructions that I give you will work for the PlayStation 5 and Switch. Like I said, I'm only recording here for convenience and a higher quality video. So the most important thing by far is that all of you must connect a Microsoft account. So if you head over into these settings, choose account, you will be able to connect a Microsoft account and set up a gamer tag. This is important because the account is going to act as the bridge between different platforms, such as a PlayStation 5 and a Nintendo Switch. So once it is connected, one of you will have to host the world that you want to play in. So go over to the play option and find a specific world. Go into the edit button, or when you create a new one, you will also be able to change these settings. And at the left side of the screen, go into the multiplayer tab. Make sure that multiplayer game is enabled. As long as this is enabled and you configure the permissions however you prefer, this doesn't matter too much, it's all down to personal preference, you will be able to invite your friends if you are inside. If you set it to friends, anyone who is on your friends list will be able to join, and if you set it to invited players, only people who receive the direct invite will join this world. So now you can create a new world or join a pre-existing one. Now, to invite your friends, go inside of the world itself and pause the game at any point. So press start or escape, and then at the right side of the screen you will find invite to game. If you still haven't added your friends using their gamer tag, there will be a button at the top telling you to press triangle or Y to add cross-platform friends. So now copy your gamer tag, send it to your friend, or they can send you their gamer tag instead. As long as you share gamer tags, you will be able to add each other through this menu by searching them up here, and once they appear on this list, highlight them and then send out the invites. I hope I was able to help you on how to crossplay Minecraft, PlayStation 5 and Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.